abafethu ezinikene ukuthi thina si-interview ama-soccer player kuphela nama-celebrity kuphela nabantu abahlala ekasi abalana siringanabo just sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi bona bathini angithola abajidani mnandi showcase ya ngizocela ukuthi each nisintroduce ukuthi nabo bani nisintroduce ngegama nangesibongo nangegasi enihlala kulo bese nisho ukuthi nizoyenzani la
afele mina igama ngopule Junior Tlali angithola hayi kasi bangilanda ngopule yabo obviously la sobukela ama celebrity angithola sithi kubona ukuthi bamnandive ediskini abekho mnandi emculweni kuphela
showcase jaya mwena
mina lamundi ikwa ka Olifant Khotman lami yabo ngihlala eMapetla maka bangibiza ngoFoster maKhotman hayi same thing into esizele la yabo ukuthi vele music ya relate nebhola yabo ba balance izinto zawo especially nje uScott yena kakhulukazi ngisele yena la yabo
bona nje umzela uScott
besides ukuthi bamfaka amagwetla nani hayi ngifuna ukuzibonela self kumele ashise both sides angithi hayi njalo Khotman
abona basho kanjalo kimi but if you can't dance you can't play so since bama dancer meaning bayakena ukudlala basho kanjalo kimi so na Khotman lami ubani umuntu omzele la ukuzomcava vie
Grand Chap mina Khotman lami kahle umuntu engimzele la ulimeke kahle
shaya number yakhe ulimeke
number yakhe Funk 99 bathi khipha imali dingani yangithola wena Khotman
ilande lyrical
ngicule
kancane
Khotman la
just spice up izinto kancane
esani ngicule sozwile ukuthi ngithe Funk 99 Khotman la mayongayazi ngizingene esani yalima
wena nje since uthanda uScott shaya i1 kaScott
shaya imoto hamba la
okay
Khotman la
so since bafethu nize lana nithi nizobukela ama celebrity adlala idisc and all that yangithola ngifuna ukubona ukuthi bayalazi ibhola so wena favor yipi team la khona hip hop amapiano
obviously mina ngihamba nepiano yena kanjani ipiano
angazi Khotman sihamba naye mokwenze njani maka ipiano one way to the point
because next game la dlala hip hop against ipiano so wena ngishaya ngescore prediction
piano against hip hop
sure
sikonyana nje esithambile nje 3-1
wena
obvious piano Khotman
score prediction Khotman
obvious piano 4 hip hop nil
yo niyazi hip hop kana ibona idlala
banayazi maka ipiano okay hayi sesobona hayi sesobabona
so nina bashidanze since nizela nizobona idisc nina niyalicava idisc
ngimnandi kabuhlungu kabi mina namanje bangangifaka uzobona Khotman lami yo
umnandi nje
kabuhlungu kabi
udlala iposition and bakaya ipitches number
mina ngoba vele ngisithandela number 6 abo ngidlala esigubhini
favorite player Petri yo awukeni ibhola mos wena njayami
mina Khotman lami vele idisc ngiyadlala bengidlala bo bengidlalela ne-academy enye kanje ubhuti wami yadlalela imondo Mythos Academy ubuntu wami vele sintswembe bengidlala i4 and 5 you understand
sure kitches number bakaya yona and favorite player
kitches number bengangaya yona boku4 like usho i-player from ngapha or ngale
asayisho like if you favorite player anyway it's fine
Mbokazi
unangakhi njayami
unachoko Khotman
anishiya azikuhambani khona enye kaye mina ngihlala eDavidton khona enye ekasi ilezi eziringabhayi yabo azitheni kimi ithe kimi awukwazi ukuthi role model yakho kube intwana encane kunayo that's why kubuza age yabo but when you grand solo ukuthi Mbokazi any message for Umbekezeli uzayibona le video showcase any message for Umbekezeli Mbokazi
keep it up njayami keep it up pusha kanjalo nje
wena nje umthanda bani eMzansi angiyazi uPetra sowala la eMzansi
obviously ngihamba neyaseKaslam Dudu Shabalala
nayo awacava ama video wethu anyway or whatever from do
hayi akaphusha hayi keep pushing intwana yami naku FIFA nyazi utholakele boy ngiyakuthemba boy sure
Khotman ukuthi idlalile nomdu yabo yadlalile nomdu ukuze abe la khona no like sikhule nadlale naye like ibhola from you understand now uzobona ukuthi hayi izasikazi especially uPodolski ngapha yabo
so Podolski yipi team ewin league this season ku PSL
ngoba manje kuyangiwe yabona title race Hey. Hayi maka iye Pitori yona. Hayi yona iye Pitori. Obvious. Fede ngizothaba umakhelwane noma ngingabathandi yabo. Yeah, ngizothaba umakhelwane. Yeah.
Urathi thanda umakhi wakho masona iyava nje.
Mina Khotman lam.
Vai Pagani.
One way Pagani one way Khotman lam.
Pagani one way. Bathi bopa Pagani. So itabi una yipi team weekend and the score prediction.
Score prediction mina ngasho ukuthi 2-0 or 3-0.
Win the Pirates.
Yeah.
Sure.
Anyang underestimate bona yabo. Bona bana masimba vele Chiefs yayiqinile.
Sure.
Maka
Score
4.
setabi.
Mina obvious uyasazi score 1 nje kuphela siya.
Navala.
Asifuni magoli amaningi, asifuni ukuqeda amagoli. Score 1 sa relax.
Before sivala bajita anywhere of the day for abajite kas.
Aish. Wathi inwele of the day for amachite kasi. Yo, ay, ngathi West. Mphileni impilweni nibe grand in focus empilweni. Society na side ngoba society. Yeah.
Society ni aside.
The word of the day.
Showcase.
Obvious fele yami word of the day Khotman ukuthi yangithola good things come to those who wait. When I relax isikhathi sakho siyeza.
Ngiyabonga sana. Nizele ya Poroski ya. Hiyo Poroski. Sayivala aweza shayile Poroski.